Are you making these 5 dumbbell press mistakes that are hurting your progress? I'm going to show you 5 fixes to build your upper chest without pain or public embarrassment. Watch until the end of the video because the 5th mistake is the one that most people overlook, including professionals. I'm Dr. Ram, physician, bodybuilder, and founder and head coach at Ram Wellness, where we help busy professionals like you upgrade how you feel, look, and perform for life. Hit that subscribe button for more workout tutorials, nutrition tips, and success mindset hacks. But hey, you're here to learn 5 ways to build your upper chest without pain, so let's get right to it. Mistake number 1, using too much weight, aka ego lifting. What this looks like are uncontrolled, wobbly half reps that increase your risk of injury and decrease the amount of effective reps you're actually getting. So here's how you fix it. Use what I've named as the stretch test. If you can't complete a rep from a paused, stretch position with proper form and technique throughout the entire range of motion, the weight is already too heavy. Mistake number 2, using the wrong angle. While you can't completely isolate the chest during this exercise, you can control the involvement of the chest versus the shoulders and triceps. As you increase the angle of the bench, you hit more of your upper chest, but also more of your shoulders. The greater the incline, the greater the shoulder involvement. The greater the decline, the greater the chest involvement. So here's how you fix this. You want to be somewhere closer to 45 degrees, which is sort of the in-between spot that will hit your upper chest hard. But you'll have to experiment with the angle. Any further and you start getting to pure shoulder press territory, which you may want to minimize, especially if you're having shoulder pain. One way to try to fix it is to decrease the angle of the bench to 45 degrees or less. Mistake number 3, not controlling the weight on the way down. This causes the supportive structures of the shoulder joint to receive more tension from the weight instead of your chest. So here's how you fix it. Especially if you struggle with getting a pump and feeling your upper chest work, use a 3 to 4 second tempo on the way down, keeping tension in the chest. Mistake number 4, having a loose upper back and rolling your shoulders forward. This causes your shoulders to take over and thus places more stress on them. So here's how you fix it. Keep your shoulder blades pulled back and down, pinning them against the seat by pushing your legs into the ground and slightly arching your lower back. Stay tight in this position so that the tension stays more in the chest and less in the shoulders. Mistake number 5, flaring your elbows out too much. This increases your risk of shoulder pain and injury, especially when you try to go all the way down in this position. So here's how you fix it. It's okay to flare your elbows towards the top of the movement, but focus on tucking your elbows in slightly on the way down at between a 15 and a 45 degree angle with respect to your torso. This takes stress off the shoulder joint and biceps, reduces any excess rubbing between the shoulder and the tendons underneath it, and keeps the tension in the chest. Still feeling pain in your shoulders? Here's a bonus tip. Try experimenting with different arm positions between internal rotation and external rotation. Don't be one of those people turning their arms out at the top of the movement. The chest is an internal rotator of the upper arm. Turning your forearms outwards at the top isn't shortening your chest fibers any further. If anything, it's lengthening them. Additionally, since your shoulder joint is more or less parallel to the ground, you aren't rotating your arms against gravity, which means that there's no change in tension and your chest is not doing any additional work. Basically, it's completely pointless in terms of improving the quality of your reps. Only use internal or external rotation to find what position is most comfortable for your shoulders and allows you to feel the contraction best in your upper chest without pain. Question of the day. Do you prefer dumbbells, barbells, or machines for building your upper chest? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this workout tutorial for building your upper chest pain and injury free. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos like this. Remember always, aim for exceptional. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.